Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your phone number to Facebook in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or bottom right corner on some devices, to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. Tap the Add New Contact button. Here, you'll see two options. Tap on Add Phone Number. Enter your phone number and tap Continue. Facebook will send a confirmation code to your phone. Enter the code to verify your number. Once verified, your phone number will be added to your Facebook account. And that's it, how to add your phone number to Facebook. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.